Hello, welcome to this video. Today we want to teach in stop loss and take profit in trading. As you can see, we have the price. Prices are driven from top to bottom. Here it has not been able to break the ceiling upwards, and again the price has been pushed down. It is supported here and has moved upwards again. The price has managed to break this level and is now pulled back. This is a great opportunity to get into a long position. I am really happy when I see such a green candle and I take a long position. And I consider my profit limit or tick profit as the previous ceiling. Here that has a long shadow. This big green candle really helps here. Because an uptrend has begun. Using the long tool, I determine my profit and loss limits. I set my profit limit to the previous ceiling. I will put the loss limit under this candlestick. You can see that the price has reached the previous ceiling. The risk to the reversal of our trades must be above 2. Please subscribe to my channel and watch the previous videos.